All right, so here's a look at these straight edged pans. So you can see that these are the 8-inch ones, and if you've ever made a layered cake, you know that you're gonna wanna have something that has perfectly straight edges, and you can see here the sides of these are nice and straight. Using these to make a layer cake is perfect because they are all the same size, so you can make up to a 3-layer cake, or if you wanted to grab the other variation, I think they also have a 6-pack as well. And it's also gonna come with these wax papers, which is a huge help when making a cake. You're not gonna have to struggle and worry about cracking it in the middle. You're just gonna throw these down here at the bottom. You can put in your ingredients, make the cake, and then once it's done, you just pull it straight out, and you have a nice even distribution of pulling the cake out. I also like to make sure that I spray a little bit of oil on the sides as well, just so it doesn't stick. This is really a game changer when it comes to using these 8-inch straight edge pans. So let me go ahead and put them in the oven. I want to show you what they look like and what the size is. Like I said, it is going to be an 8-inch, but you can see if we were making a cake, we could easily fit all 3 of these in here in our oven if we just spread them out a little bit like that. Now I do also like these because they do not stick. You can see that they're nice and clean. We've probably used them about 3 or 4 times now, and they just do a really good job of being non-stick, and everything on here is nice and even. Sometimes you'll get these pans and you'll have like the sides are thicker or the sides are thinner than the bottom, or it just doesn't cook evenly because of the quality of the pan. But I found these to be really good, high quality pans. And as for the parchment paper that comes with it, they're gonna give you 90 pieces. So this should last you for a long time, unless you're just constantly making cakes every single day, then you might need to pick up some more later. But I do like the fact that they provide you with so many of these parchment papers. So if you're looking for a good pan set that comes with parchment paper that is perfect for making layered cakes and something that's a nice medium size, like an 8-inch pan, then I would definitely recommend picking these ones up.